So welcome back guys to a new video. In last video we have learned about the advanced string operations. In this video we are going to learn about the common operations methods on integer and float. We are going to learn what is integer, what is float and their common operations on them. Okay. So we are not going to cover that much in this video. In next video we are going to cover a lot, so be with me till the end and have fun. Let's start the video without wasting any time. um, I have opened the anti-gravity, and as other videos I have created a full file for you, and you can just download it by here. Day 13 is already uploaded, so just go and have the notes and the main files and notes, and other days files are also uploaded. Okay. And now firstly, um Python numbers are int and float. Okay. Now, in Python, number are primarily of two data types. Number of two data types only. First is integer, that is denoted by int, and that is another is floating point number. We can say it in short form, float. So, floating point number and integer. The difference is only integer are numbers, whole numbers. They can be negative, positive. Okay, but they don't have any decimal points, and the floating number integer with the decimal points this much. So like in mathematics there is natural numbers 1 to infinite integer, and after that the natural number is whole numbers are natural numbers with zero, in integers negative numbers with the whole numbers. Okay. So Python is same as that. Integer are all the numbers from negative. All integers are integer in Python only, and the float is the integers with the decimal points. Okay, you can see there are some examples, and we have also covered this in data type video, that with the help of type function you can have the type of the thing that you are just printing. After that, these are good, and if they are numbers they should have arithmetic operations, and in operators video I have explained you all these operations. I don't think I just wanted to explain you right now, but don't worry. I don't think anyone have seen my that video. Let me explain here. Plus, it's add. Nice. It's easy. Minus subtracts multiply. This sign is of multiply. It's multiply, and this slash is of division. Okay. After that, there is percentage. The sign is only percentage, but the thing is that it's modulus. It tells the remainder that left when we divide them. The remainder left, so it tells us that remainder. Like if we divide 5 and 2, what remainder we will get 1. So it tells that 1. Okay. And after that there is exponential. You have learned the square roots. I mean square and cubes. The same as that. 5 raised to the power 2 means square. 5 raised to the power 3 means cube. 5 raised to the power 4. 5 raised to the power 5. Okay. So here we need to write till which power we need to raise it. Okay. After that, this is floor division. You know that normal division, it if we divide this both, in point the number will be. So here you can see it is in point, but the floor division does what? Removes that point and only gave us this. It is not round up. If you're thinking, you can see this should become, if we do round of this, it should become 3, but it is 2. So it only remove the decimal points. Okay, it removes the full decimal parts. And normal division gave float, and float division always gave integer. Okay, let us check this thing. I have made pi. We are going to create a variable a, and in that variable we are going to divide 4 by 2. It yes, guys, I think it should give int. I also don't know. Let us check. Integer it should give, because there is no need of decimal points. Okay, after that type type. Let us check what type is. Get loaded up. So guys, it's loading. Let me check. It's very slow. Class float. You can see. Means this normal divide always give like in float, and float division always gave integer. This is very interesting video. After that, and this same thing is told here. You can see. Okay, and example of code is also given. Now there are some methods on them, some easy methods that we are going to use normally. In the next video, there are methods that are not usable. No one is going to use them. Okay. So these are some common methods. Let's see. This is absolute, I think. Yes, it gave the absolute value, means it convert negative to positive. Okay, and positive to positive. Then this is round off. It rounds off the things like. Wait a minute. Do this round off function work like real math round off? Let's see. Let's check this thing. Print. Let me print and then control V. So we are going to round off this by this 1 4. So if I make this 1 6, let us try. So it should be 1.5. Yes, this round off functions works like a real math round off function. Okay. Okay, after that there is power. This same as that exponential power, but at that place we don't want to write these double stars. We can only write POW, then bracket, then first value, then the second value. And this is div not. I like this a lot. I really like this a lot. Like we do have this. It gave the output both. It gave the quotient and it gave the remainder. Like we are going to divide it by this, so it gave a tuple. Okay, it gave a tuple which consists firstly it consists of the quotient, then it consists of the remainder. You can see. Okay, after that there is integer. Mean this formula this function converts a float, I think, yes, float to the integer, and float function convert that integer to float. Okay, this is known as typecasting. Okay, so let us check. Will it integer? Okay, so it gonna remove the decimal point. Nice. And int can also be used when you have a string, and in that string you have a number. Int can convert that string to number 2. Okay, after there is number formatting, This formatting I have already told you, I think, in the last video, in which we did this pi thing already. Okay, uh, dot 2f. Dot means decimal. 2 means we need to take two decimal place. Then there is f. F means float. So it will give 3.14. After that, assume that you have money amount, but you want that in commas, like a real system. So you can do it like this: value colon then a comma. Okay. After that, it will give you that money in amount. You can say it like this. You don't need to write amount. Okay. After that, there is like percentage thing. Okay. So if you want to convert this in percentage, so you want to just do what? Percent this value, then this colon, after that decimal place. Okay. After that, you want to specify 1 point only you want. Okay, this much is good, but if I write f over here, it won't give this. You know what it give? It will give 7.55. But what we want percentage. So we will write percent over here. So Python knows, oh, that's percentage. So I just wanted to count the decimal places from here. So Python will give 75.5%. Okay. After that, there is Boolean truthness. I don't know why I'm just not writing it .py, but it's good. This is easy part now, and the hard part we are going to cover in that hard part into the next video. Simple as that. This Boolean truthness means it snatches the job of true and false. Yes, like that only. It takes the job of true and false. Numbers and floats take the job of true and false. Okay, you can see at the place of false we can write 0 or 0.0. Who want to write 0.0? And at the place of true you can write 1, -1 or any other numbers. Okay, so what I have told you, how if else work, I have told you now. If else work, if true, then we are going to just give an expression. If that expression is true, then Python will gonna perform this operation that we are going to type here. After that, we are going to the else, elif. Then we are going to give an expression. Then if that expression not work, we are going to give another elif and another elif, and at the end we are going to give an else. Means if nothing work, else work. Else don't want true and false. Means these want. So if I write 1 over here, 0 over here, and like do it like this, print hello. Now see. Okay, sorry. What happened? Line 12. Why it gonna do? Indent elif. Okay, sorry, my mistake. Tab. I will just pass. This is the thing of these things. Pass. If we don't want to write and don't want an error, then we can do it like this. Hello, you see. And if I do it 1 and do it 0, then it will pass it won't do anything. Means at the place of typing here true or false, it's just doing the 0 and 1. Okay, very bad. After that, okay, you can see there is an example. but you don't want this variable like here, you can directly write 0. Okay, after that there is type conversion and checking. You can check the type with the help of type function, and is instance does that thing only, but it's just high level thing now. Everything we want to so like in as a high level thing. So that is instance also work like this. The comparison thing. If we type x and equals to int, it will give true. Yes, but is instant do that thing only. Is instant, then we gonna write these two brackets, and in that we are going to pass first the value, and the second that we want to check, that is like here we want I have passed int, then it will give true. Same thing, no rocket science. Okay, so this much for this video, and wait for the second video because that will be hard, and that is gonna check how master you are in Python. So thanks for watching. Bye bye, we will meet in the next video.